Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize content ID dispute preparation with support tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin preparing your content ID dispute, log in to your YouTube account. Navigate to the YouTube Studio dashboard. In the left-hand menu, select Copyright. This will take you to a section highlighting any copyright claims on your videos. Locate the video you wish to dispute and click on it. Read through the copyright claim details thoroughly. Take note of the specific content that has been claimed. Now, access the dispute option related to the claim. Choose the reason for your dispute from the drop-down menu. Ensure that you select the most appropriate reason to strengthen your case. Before proceeding, gather any evidence to support your dispute. This could include original files, timestamps, or licenses. Once you have your evidence ready, return to the dispute form. Attach your supporting documentation. Be precise and clear in your explanation of why you believe the claim is incorrect. Review your dispute thoroughly before submission. Check for any spelling or grammatical errors. Confirm all your attachments are correctly uploaded. Once satisfied, submit your dispute. After submission, monitor your email for updates from YouTube. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Remember, you have a limited time frame to gather evidence and respond. Keep track of the dispute status in your YouTube Studio. Remain patient, as resolution times can vary. Be prepared for potential outcomes, including upholding or rejecting the claim. Following these steps will ensure you are well prepared for the content ID dispute process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.